TMI has always been a backbone of our family. It was a business started by my father. Over the years, we grew. We have now expanded to Malaysia, China, Cambodia, and Vietnam. I'm YY, and I joined the business in 2001. TMI strives to be a world-class manufacturing facility in our garment manufacturing. We manufacture apparel for both high-end luxury goods and also renowned sports brands. One of our missions is to create eco-friendly facilities. Our TMI designed cooling system creates even coolness on both sides of the facility. The LED light is computer controlled. This LED light will operate and adjust its light output based on the sunlight that is driven through our natural lighting panels. The ceilings are 85% UV reflective, which creates a better cooling environment for our workers. These are the steps that we have taken to build a world-class facility. The garment industry is going through a very fast-changing phase. The introduction of digital printing helps us to stay ahead of the game. When we first implemented digital printing, we faced a lot of problems with color inconsistency as well as print head clogging. When I first saw Epson dye-sublimation printer, the first thing that I noticed was the color consistency as well as the printing output quality. And I took a leap of faith in purchasing these printers. That was probably one of the best decisions that I ever made. With digital printing, the turnover of our products from design to production is much shorter. The apparel gets to the stores and to the consumers' wardrobes in a much shorter time. Through digital printing, we also open the opportunity to create customized products for our end customers. We see so much potential in this technology. We can only wonder what it will bring to this industry in the future. The future of TMI lies in setting up new standards for innovation and also setting our benchmark to be the world-class manufacturer for apparel as well as digital printing.